As Lily continued to explore the garden, she discovered a hidden alcove where an ancient clock tower stood tall. Its hands, crafted from celestial silver, moved in a mesmerizing dance. Edgar explained that the clock tower served as the heartbeat of the timekeeper's garden, orchestrating the ebb and flow of time within its sacred confines. In the days that followed, Lily became a frequent visitor to the timekeeper's garden. Each visit held new discoveries: a bloom that captured the first rays of dawn, a petal that whispered the secrets of a long-lost love, and a flower that glowed with the vibrant hues of a sunset that had long faded into memory. As Lily immersed herself in the magic of the garden, she began to understand the responsibility that came with the gift of time. The timekeeper's garden, though a sanctuary of enchantment, required a careful balance to ensure that the threads of time were woven with wisdom and reverence. One day, as Lily wandered through the garden, she noticed a wilted flower, a bloom that seemed to have lost its luster. Concerned for the fading bloom, she sought counsel from Edgar. He explained that the timekeeper's garden, like the cycles of nature, also had its moments of vulnerability. The garden relies on the energy of those who tend to its magic, Edgar said. Your care and reverence for the blooms infuse the garden with vitality. When a bloom begins to fade, it is a gentle reminder that the ebb and flow of time must be met with gratitude and mindfulness. Determined to restore the wilted bloom, Lily gathered the villagers and invited them to participate in a communal ceremony. Together, they nurtured the fading flower, sharing stories and moments that held significance in their lives. As the collective energy of the villagers embraced the garden, the wilted bloom began to regain its vibrancy, symbolizing the resilience of time and the bonds that connected the community. Inspired by the transformative power of collective care, Lily and the villagers established a tradition of tending to the timekeeper's garden with reverence. The garden, once known only to a few, became a place of communal connection, where the threads of time intertwined with the shared experiences of the villagers. Years passed, and Lily, now an elder in the village, continued to guide the community in nurturing the timekeeper's garden. The once mysterious enclave had become a cherished sanctuary, a testament to the enduring power of time when embraced with love and respect. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow upon the village, Lily stood in the heart of the timekeeper's garden. The celestial clock tower, with its hands still weaving through the tapestry of time, seemed to acknowledge her with a subtle nod. In that moment, Lily felt a profound sense of gratitude for the gift of time and the beauty it bestowed upon the village. The blooms, vibrant and eternal, whispered tales of joy, sorrow, and the timeless dance that echoed through the ages. The timekeeper's garden, a living testament to the magic of moments, stood as a testament to the interconnected threads of past, present, and the ever-unfolding future. And so, in the quiet village nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, the timekeeper's garden flourished as a haven of enchantment, a sanctuary where the petals of time bloomed in eternal celebration of the human experience. The villagers, with Lily as their guide, embraced the cyclical dance of the celestial clock tower, knowing that within its sacred embrace, every moment held the promise of wonder, reflection, and the timeless beauty of a life well lived. The Songbird's Symphony. In the quaint village of Harmony Hills, nestled between emerald meadows and azure skies, there lived a young girl named Melody. She possessed an extraordinary gift, a voice that echoed with the purity of a crystal-clear stream. The villagers, enchanted by her melodic tunes, affectionately called her the Songbird of Harmony Hills. The heart of the village was adorned with a majestic oak tree, known as the Melody Oak, where residents gathered for celebrations and solace alike. Legend had it that the Melody Oak held the power to amplify the beauty of any song sung beneath its branches. Melody, with her innate musical talent, felt a profound connection to the ancient oak. One day, as the village prepared for the annual Harmony Festival, Melody felt a sense of anticipation in the air. The festival, a cherished tradition, brought together the entire community in a joyous celebration of music, dance, and unity. Under the Melody Oak, a stage was erected, ready to host the grand musical showcase that marked the climax of the festival. Melody, with her heart brimming with excitement, decided to compose a special song for the festival, a melody that would capture the essence of Harmony Hills and resonate through the souls of those who listened. She spent days crafting lyrics that celebrated the beauty of the meadows, the warmth of community, and the serenity of the azure skies. As the day of the festival dawned, the villagers adorned the melody oak with ribbons and flowers, transforming it into a natural masterpiece. The anticipation built, and the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow upon Harmony Hills. The stage beneath the melody oak awaited the performers, and a gentle breeze carried the fragrance of blooming wildflowers. Melody took center stage, her heart aflutter with a blend of nerves and excitement. The villagers, gathered in a sea of smiling faces, looked to their songbird with anticipation. As she began to sing, her voice soared through the air, weaving a tapestry of harmonies that resonated with the very soul of Harmony Hills. Under the melody oak's branches, the song took on a life of its own. The ancient oak seemed to sway in rhythm, as if acknowledging the beauty of the melody. The villagers, captivated by the enchanting performance, felt a deep sense of connection to one another and to the land they called home. As Melody's song reached its crescendo, something magical happened. The melody oak, infused with the essence of the music, began to emit a soft, radiant glow. The branches rustled in a gentle applause, and a harmonious symphony of chirping crickets and rustling leaves joined the songbird's serenade. The villagers, overwhelmed by the unexpected spectacle, watched in awe as the melody oak became a living testament to the power of music and community. The air, filled with the sweet notes of the song, seemed to vibrate with an energy that transcended the ordinary. In the days that followed, word of the magical performance spread beyond Harmony Hills. Travelers and wanderers from distant lands heard tales of the songbird's symphony beneath the melody oak, drawing them to the village like moths to a flame. Harmony Hills, once a hidden gem in the vast expanse, became a beacon of musical enchantment. Among the newcomers drawn to the village was a talented musician named Arya. Arya, with her violin in hand and a passion for creating melodies that stirred the soul, had traveled far in search of inspiration. The stories of Melody's songbird symphony lured her to the quaint village of Harmony Hills, where she hoped to discover the magic that lingered beneath the melody oak. As Arya entered the village, she felt an inexplicable sense of serenity. The meadow stretched before her like a vast canvas, the azure skies painted with wisps of white clouds. The melody oak stood tall in the heart of the village, its branches seeming to beckon Arya to join the harmonious dance. Curious about the enchanting tales she had heard, Arya approached Melody with a humble request. "Would you, dear songbird, consider a duet beneath the melody oak? Your voice and my violin, together in a symphony that echoes through the hearts of Harmony Hills." Melody, touched by the sincerity in Arya's eyes, agreed to the collaboration. The villagers, eager to witness a new chapter in the Melody Oak saga, gathered beneath the ancient tree with anticipation. As Melody and Arya prepared to perform, the air buzzed with a sense of expectation. The moment they began their duet, a magical fusion of voice and violin, the atmosphere in Harmony Hills shifted. The melody oak responded to the new harmony, its branches embracing the two musicians in a dance of celestial delight. The villagers, enchanted by the seamless blend of vocals and strings, felt the music weave through the fabric of their collective spirit. Under the azure skies, the duet reached a sublime crescendo. The melody oak, radiating a brilliant glow, seemed to release a cascade of sparkling notes that danced around the village square. The symphony of chirping crickets and rustling leaves joined the melody, creating a moment of musical transcendence that etched itself into the very soul of Harmony Hills. As the last notes faded into the twilight, the villagers erupted into applause, their hearts brimming with gratitude for the gift of music that Melody and Arya had bestowed upon them. The melody oak, bathed in the afterglow of the symphony, stood as a testament to the enduring power of collaboration and the magic that unfolds when diverse talents harmonize. Melody and Arya, now recognized as the dual guardians of Harmony Hills' musical legacy, continued to compose melodies that celebrated the village's beauty and the interconnectedness of its residents. The melody oak, their sacred stage, became a haven where musicians from far and wide gathered to partake in the enchanting symphonies that echoed through the meadows and beneath the azure skies. And so, in the quaint village of Harmony Hills, where emerald meadows stretched between azure skies, the songbird's symphony became a living legacy. The melody oak, standing tall and proud, held within its branches the echoes of every harmonious note that had graced its shade. The villagers, united by the magic of music, reveled in the timeless enchantment that lingered in the air, a testament to the enduring power of melodies that echoed through the heart of Harmony Hills. The Whispering Winds of Serenity. In the tranquil village of Serenity Vale, nestled between rolling hills and crystal-clear streams, lived a young artist named Luna. Her days were spent capturing the beauty of nature on canvas, each stroke of her brush a testament to the serenity that enveloped the village. However, Luna harbored a secret dream, a longing to create a masterpiece that would capture the essence of the elusive whispering winds. Legend spoke of the whispering winds, gentle breezes that carried whispers of ancient tales and untold secrets. The villagers believed that these winds, imbued with the wisdom of the ages, cradled the heart of Serenity Vale in a harmonious embrace. Luna, with her intuitive connection to the elements, felt a magnetic pull towards the mystery that shrouded the whispering winds. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Luna stood on the edge of the village, gazing at the distant hills where the winds were said to originate. The air, still and quiet, seemed to hold its breath in anticipation. Luna, driven by an inner calling, decided to embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of the elusive whispering winds. Guided by the soft glow of the crescent moon, Luna ventured into the hills, her heart aflutter with a mix of excitement and trepidation. As she delved deeper into the wilderness, the silence gave way to a gentle murmur, the ethereal whispers of the elusive winds that cradled the village in their tender embrace. Following the mystical melodies that wove through the air, Luna discovered a hidden grove bathed in silvery moonlight. In the heart of the grove stood the whispering trees, ancient sentinels that swayed in rhythm with the gentle winds. Their leaves rustled like pages of an ancient tome, each whisper carrying the weight of centuries. Luna, awestruck by the enchanting scene, set up her easel and began to paint. With each brushstroke, she sought to capture the dance of moonlight on the leaves, the elusive whispers that stirred the air, and the profound sense of serenity that enveloped the grove. The canvas became a living testament to the interconnected dance between nature and the unseen forces that shaped Serenity Vale. As Luna painted, the whispering winds seemed to respond to her creative endeavor. The breeze, now carrying a melodious hum, wrapped around Luna like a gentle embrace. The whispering trees, as if acknowledging her artistic tribute, swayed in unison, their branches creating a symphony that echoed through the hills. In that magical moment, Luna felt a profound connection to the essence of the whispering winds. The air, charged with a subtle energy, carried whispers that transcended time and space. Luna, with tears of joy streaming down her cheeks, completed her masterpiece, a painting that captured the elusive beauty of the winds and the serenity that echoed through the grove. As Luna returned to Serenity Vale, her heart brimming with gratitude, she shared her encounter with the whispering winds and unveiled her masterpiece to the villagers. The painting, bathed in the glow of Luna's transformative experience, became a symbol of the village's connection to the natural world and the unseen forces that cradled it in a timeless embrace. Word of Luna's encounter with the whispering winds spread beyond Serenity Vale, drawing travelers and seekers from distant lands. The village, once a hidden haven, became a sanctuary for those yearning to experience the harmony that Luna had discovered in the mystical grove. Among the newcomers was a wise elder named Sage, known for his deep understanding of the natural world and its hidden mysteries. Intrigued by Luna's tale, Sage approached her with a humble request. "Young artist," Sage said, his eyes gleaming with wisdom, "would you allow me to guide you to the heart of the whispering winds? There, you may uncover the ancient secrets that have been woven into the fabric of Serenity Vale." Eager to delve deeper into the mysteries that surrounded her village, Luna agreed to accompany Sage on a journey to the source of the whispering winds. The villagers, recognizing the significance of Luna's connection to the mystical forces, bid them farewell with blessings of serenity and inspiration. As Luna and Sage ventured into the hills, they followed the subtle guidance of the winds, their whispers leading the way. The air, pregnant with the anticipation of revelation, seemed to guide Luna and Sage to a secluded glade at the summit of the highest hill.